Are you confused about where to invest your money in 25? Stocks feel risky. Real estate feels expensive. And bank FDs barely beat inflation. Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 3 simple and smart ways to invest in 2025. Even if you're not a finance expert. Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm someone who used to be just as confused about investing as you probably are right now. Over the years, I've learned that you don't need to be rich or a financial expert to grow your wealth. You just need a simple plan. And in this video, I'll give you exactly that. So grab a cup of chai or coffee and let's begin. Don't forget to support and subscribe, hit bell icon for regular updates. The first smart way to invest in 2025 is through index funds. These are low-cost mutual funds that copy the performance of the stock market. Think of them as a ready-made basket of top companies. For example, if you invest in an index fund like the Nifty 50 or the S&P 500, you're automatically buying shares in companies like TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, or in the US, companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. The best part? No need to track the market daily. Low fees. Historically, these funds give 10 to 12% average annual returns over the long term. Imagine this. If you invest Rs $5,000 or $100 every month in a good index fund, in 10 years you can grow it to around Rs 10 to 12 lakhs or more, depending on returns. That's the power of compounding. The second way to invest in 2025 is gold, but not in jewelry or coins. Instead, go for gold ETFs or digital gold. These are modern, safe, and you don't need to worry about storage or purity. Let me explain both quickly. Gold ETFs are like mutual funds that track gold prices. You can buy them using apps like Zerodha, GrowBlue, or IBKR. Digital gold is offered by platforms like Paytm, PhonePe, or Jar. You can start with as little as Rs 10 or AED 5. Example. In 2020, 1 gram of gold was around Rs 4,000. In 2024, it touched Rs 6,500. Gold protects your money when markets crash, like a safety net in your portfolio. Pro tip: keep 10-15% of your investment in gold. It adds stability. The third smart way to invest in 2025 is through US dollar-based ETFs. Why? Because you protect your money from currency depreciation and tap into global growth. For example, if you're in India and the rupee falls from 83 to 88 against the dollar, your US investments automatically gain value in rupees. Apps like VO tracks S&P 500, QQQ tracks Nasdaq 100 tech companies, or EQQQ for European investors. These invest in companies like Google, Tesla, and Nvidia without needing to pick stocks. Realistic scenario: if you had invested $500 in QQQ in 2019, it would have grown to over $2,200 by 2024. That's more than double. Before you go, here are 3 investing mistakes you must avoid. 1. Don't chase quick returns. Wealth takes time. 2. Don't put all your money in one thing. Diversify. 3. Don't invest money you need next year. Think long term. To recap, start with index funds, safe and passive. Add gold ETFs or digital gold for protection. Consider US ETFs for global growth and dollar value. If this video helped you understand where to invest, do me a small favor. Like this video, subscribe for weekly finance tips, comment below with your doubts. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching. Remember, you don't need to be rich to invest. You need to start. See you in the next video.